A catalytic converter is one of those car parts you don't really think about until it goes wrong. But it's actually a workhorse tucked underneath your car, filtering out nasty stuff from your exhaust 24/7. It's saving your lungs, basically. So just how long should you expect this unsung hero to last? Most catalytic converters are designed to last about 100,000 miles. Some people squeeze out 150,000 miles, but that's very much the high achiever scenario. The pain point? Replacing a catalytic converter is not a casual expense. We're talking anywhere from $800 to over $2,500 depending on your car model. It stings because it's not even a fun fix like new tires or a sound system. A lot of folks are caught off guard when their check engine light blinks and the diagnosis is a failing cat. The main culprits for an early death: oil leaks, coolant leaks, or running your engine too rich for too long. All stuff that seems minor until it isn't. A healthy engine is the secret sauce for keeping your catalytic converter alive. If you're skipping oil changes or letting spark plugs go to pasture, you're basically inviting trouble. Think of it as a chain reaction. The upstream maintenance matters. Pro tip: if your car starts running rough, losing power, or smells like rotten eggs, it's time to pay attention. These are hallmark symptoms that the catalytic converter is on life support. Driving style plays a role too. Short stop-and-go trips don't let your system heat up enough to burn off bad stuff. That means more gunk builds up over time, and your converter gets a shorter lease on life, sometimes by as much as 25%. Don't ignore all those internet guides about cleaning or regenerating your cat. If your converter's clogged, sometimes a professional cleaning or fuel additive can buy you months, maybe a year. But let's be real, it's not a magic fix. A little-known fact: aftermarket catalytic converters rarely last as long as the original. The metals they're made from, platinum, palladium, rhodium, are expensive, and replacement units tend to skimp on those. That means you might be back in the shop sooner. If you're in a city like Portland or anywhere with strict emissions checks, a worn-out converter can get your car failed at testing and off the road until you fix it. There's no fast-talking your way past that one. Trust me, I've tried. So, what's the real takeaway? If you want your catalytic converter to go the distance, basic maintenance is your best friend. Oil changes, tune-ups, and keeping an eye on leaks can stretch your converter's life by at least 25,000 miles. Future, you will thank present you for paying attention to tiny warning signs. Because getting stranded by a failed catalytic converter is not the plot twist you want on a Sunday afternoon.